In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an anchor link in HubSpot step by step. If you're using HubSpot for your business and want to enhance your web pages with anchor links, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can easily find it by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for HubSpot on a search engine of your choice. Once you arrive at the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been there recently. Now you'll see an option to sign in, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. You will then be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can seamlessly proceed to the next step. After signing in, you'll land on the HubSpot home. This is your primary dashboard where you can access various tools and features. It's a great idea to get comfortable navigating this space because it centralizes all your operations, making your workflow more efficient. Next, locate the content section. This is the area where you manage all the content related to your account, including blogs, landing pages, and more. Clicking on content will present you with a variety of options, but our focus today is on landing pages, so go ahead and select landing pages. Once you are on the landing pages section, choose the specific page you want to edit. You might have several pages listed here, so pick the one where you wish to add the anchor link. Selecting the correct page is crucial as all further edits will be applied to this page. Now with the page selected, you'll want to click on Add. This option allows you to incorporate new elements and features into your page to enhance its functionality and visitor engagement. Adding various features can really elevate the overall user experience. After clicking Add, you'll see an option for Anchor. Selecting Anchor is the key step in this tutorial as it allows you to create direct links to specific sections within your web page. This is particularly useful for navigating longer pages or directing users to important content quickly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add anchor links in HubSpot. Make sure to save your changes and test the anchor link to ensure it functions as expected. Doing so verifies that users will have a smooth experience navigating through your page. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it's empowered you to utilize anchor links effectively in your HubSpot account. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore HubSpot's additional features to maximize your business potential. Happy editing!